it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today guys, I have got for you a Superdrug haul. So yes, I've got a Superdrug haul for you guys today. I've actually got I picked up a couple of things in store when I was in there recently and then I've done an online order, but I'm just going to show you it all now. Firstly then, I will show you what I picked up when I was in store in Superdrug and let you know what I got there. Okay, so firstly, I picked up some things on Superdrug's got on their fabulous 3 for 2 offer again. Or I believe this time they're calling it buy 2, get 1 free. But you know, buy 2, get 1 free, 3 for 2, it's all the same thing, so fabulous. Okay, so basically I only went into store, well actually I went into store because Chris wanted to go into store. Actually, I'll show you that first, basically. Chris wanted to go into store to get up some of this face wash because I got him a set for his birthday. It actually came free with some of the moisturizers and things that I bought him from Superdrug, and it included a little small version of this, which is their Be Men Volcanic Cleansing 4-in-1 wash, and he really liked it, so he wanted another one, and it was currently out of stock online, so I couldn't do that when I did my online order. So we picked this up in store. This was £3.99. It's a big one, so it's 150 mils, and it's currently, or it was currently, on buy one get one free. So it worked out about £1.99-ish. So that's a really good price. He really likes it. So he's got one now, and then I bought them, and then I'm going to put this one away for Christmas for him. Okay, so moving on to the 3 for 2 stuff then. Firstly, I picked up another Conceal and Define foundation. I absolutely love this. This is in the shade F5, which is what I've been using at the moment. On my last haul, I picked up an F7, which I plan on using next week when I'm on holiday. But for the minute, I'm actually using this one. So this I'll take on holiday to start with, and then we'll move on to the F7. I have just run out of my last F5 one, so I have opened this one and I've used this morning. I really like it. You know, I've talked about this so many times. And it costs £9. It's on the 3 for 2. I think it was the most expensive item on the 3 for 2. So I did pay for this one. Next then, also £9, I picked up one of their new Conceal and Hydrate foundations. Basically, there was a 3 for 2 one and I didn't know what the last item I wanted was, and they didn't have any of the primer in stock or the setting spray or anything I wanted basically, but I thought, you know what? I'm gonna try this. So we'll see what it's like. It's gonna take some to beat my Conceal and Define foundation because I really like this one. But this is meant to be really kind of very much similar, but it's more hydrating for your skin. So it sounds really nice. So again, I got this in the shade F5. I will probably try and give this a try before I go away. And if not, it might have to be down the line because hopefully I'll be getting a decent tan. So this again, yes, was £9. So it's very much a similar size to the F5, to the Conceal and Define. I think they both have the same, 23 mils worth of product in there. Very much the same size. I believe the Conceal and Hydrate comes in a pump, whereas this one comes with like a large doe foot applicator. But I'm looking forward to giving this a try. I love Makeup Revolution and they come out with some fantastic new products, so yay. Okay, lastly then on the 3 for 2, and the item then that I got free was this Conceal and Define concealer. And now, you know I love this. I adore it. When I picked up the F7 foundation, I picked up a C5 concealer, thinking that would be okay, but now I'm questioning that. So I picked this up in the C7, so it's gonna match with the foundation that I got really well when I go on holiday. This one then was £7, guys. It's the supersized version, so it's 3 times the amount of the normal version, but it's not 3 times the price, but we got this for free anyway, so absolutely amazing. Superdrug's always worth checking out when they've got 3 for 2 on because you always get something for free, and this little guy is amazing. Okay, so the very last thing that I picked up when I was in store was a face mask, and this one is from T-Zone. It caught my eye when I was in the shop. It's holographic peel-off mask. Now, I've had their holographic glitter mask. I'll be honest, it was a letdown, so I don't know why I got excited over this, because I like anything holographic. The packaging's holographic, I don't know if you can tell. The lady on the packet, her sheet mask, looks maybe, it's like it's going to be more pearlescent than holographic, but I love a bit of holo, so we'll give that a go. I didn't buy it, it's for all skin types, so I didn't really buy it for that. I bought it because it said it's holo, and you never know, it might well be. Their glitter mask was a bit of a letdown, and it was quite painful taking off. But Face Mask Friday, guys, I'll do it for you. So yeah, look out for this one, it'll be coming up soon. This again was, I think, about half price and about £1.99. I haven't got my receipt, so I can't remember fully, but I think that's what it was. So not a bad little price, and we'll get a Christmas fried out of it. Okay, then next we will move on to the online order. And again, I picked up a couple of things on Superdrug's 3 for 2, buy 2, get 1 free offer. Firstly then, I picked up another Revolution Pro Pore Primer. I really like this stuff. I'm almost out of the one that I'm currently using. I think it's really great. It's kind of a dupe for the Benefit Professional, and it just helps my makeup go on really nice and stay that way all day. So this one costs £7, which I think is a really good price because it does last a good old while and it's a lot cheaper than the Benefit alternative. So I really, really like this. Okay, next on the 3 for 2, I picked up this Matte Fix Pro Oil Control Fixing Spray, which I really, really, really like. I find that this helps my makeup stay on all day. I find it's really, 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 really good. And it only costs £5. £5 is amazing. Now, it actually took me a while to find this. Well, no, it didn't take me a while to find it. I didn't think I'd ordered this. This was the one I had, I've been using. And when I was on the website, I couldn't find it. But basically, it's down as the Pro Fix Oil Setting Spray, Oil Control Setting Spray, which is what it used to be like. And I believe this is just the new packaging for it. I really, really like this, so I definitely think it's worth giving it a go. If you want to keep your face shine-free all day and keep your makeup in place, I think it works really, really well. So for £5, that's amazing. And I'm not going to show you the last thing that I got on my 3 for 2 because it is a present for my sister. I think the setting spray actually worked out being the free item, but I don't want to give any spoilers away because her birthday's in a couple of weeks. So, sorry guys. Okay, next then I picked up a couple of things from Superdrug's Naturally Radiant range. Okay then, so to start I'm going to show you this one. This is their Glycolic Tonic 5% Glycolic Acid kind of toner-esque item, and I've been using this recently. I had it before, but I hadn't really used it religiously, and I have been using it quite frequently recently, and I do see a big difference in my skin. I find, you know, the texture's so much better, redness goes down, and I just, I really, really like this. There's a definite difference in my skin. So this one retails at £5.99, but at the moment there is an offer on the Naturally Radiant range is buy one, get one free. So it means you can have a free product with this, or this is free, I don't know, I've got another item to show you in a minute. But I really, really rate this. I think it's fantastic. It's been helping my skin out a lot. I can't do anything about some hormonal breakouts, but this has been helping kind of reduce them quickly and just keep my skin in a good condition. I really, really like it. Okay, this one I imagine would be the free one that I got. This one was £4.49, and it is their Brightening Micro Polish. I've never tried this before, but I saw a post on Instagram, kind of a skincare routine by them, and I thought I could incorporate this in and the Glycolic Toner Tonic really well. So I just wanted to give this a little try. It got some good reviews. It's basically, it says it awakens skin's natural glow and refines and smooths, which is pretty much kind of what the others claim to do. It's enriched with blueberry seeds and fruit acids. This polish exfoliates dead skin cells, helping to refine skin's texture and clarify skin discoloration for an ultra smooth and luminous complexion. And it's infused with kiwi fruit extract, mulberry fruit extract, and fruit acids. I really, really like this range. Everything I've tried from the range I've been impressed with. So I'm looking forward to giving this one a try. Okay, the next item that I'm going to show you then is this body brush from Spa Retreat from Superdrug, and it's very similar to a brush I guess I got on my Primark haul recently, but that was a long handled brush. This one has a handle and it slips, and it's got the bristles in there for exfoliation, but it's also got these like plastic rubbery, well I don't think they're plastic, these rubbery bits to massage, so I thought that would be really good for using on my legs, and the longer one will be good for like my back and other things. So this one was £4.99, but there was an offer on. The offer was on beauty products or beauty accessories, I believe, and it was buy one, get one half price. So this one was £4.99. I will show you the item that I got as a half price one. So I picked up this Strength Serum for weak nails. I was talking to somebody on Instagram about this who rated this really, really well. My nails have been terrible recently. For someone who's always taken good care of their nails and, you know, always like to have them painted and everything, I've just been kind of at a loss with them recently. They keep breaking all the time. I don't know why. I've never had such issues. They're starting to get a little better, but I've just found that I haven't even really wanted to be painting my nails and stuff because they look a bit meh. But apparently this is like miracle stuff. So I'm really, really looking forward to giving this a try. In here then we get this little tube, which you're supposed to put on, I think, twice a day for a week. And then apparently you see massive difference. So it's saying, yes, apply to the nails and cuticles twice daily for 1 week. Massage gently into the nails and cuticles until fully absorbed. Continue to apply serum once a day for a minimum of 28 days for optimal results. So it's basically a strengthening serum that gives good results. What's it got in it? Let's see. It's got a strengthening of vitamin complex and provitamin B5, which will help fortify the nail structure and seal in moisture for enhanced flexibility and resilience. There's also cocoa butter and vitamin E to help condition the nails and cuticles and encourage nail growth. So that sounds really, really good. This was £3.99, but obviously I got it a little bit cheaper because I got it on the buy one get one half price deal. Okie dokie then, lastly I got a couple of face masks on offer. To start with then, I got this Soleil by Superdrug Moisturising After Sun Facial Sheet Mask with Aloe Vera Soothing and Cooling Mask. I thought this would be a good one to do on Face Mask Friday while I'm on holiday. I will film this and hopefully it's a good one. It costs 99p and there was a deal on at the minute that if you bought one you got another half price from the Superdrug range, I believe it was, just any Superdrug products. So I got another face mask. I got this Tea Tree Deep Cleansing Mud Mask. Just thought it would be nice. My skin can be problematic with hormones and things, so I thought that this clearing mask would be really nice. Oh no, I think there's an ever so slight puncture on it. Oh dear. Hopefully it'll be all right. It doesn't feel like it's dried up or anything, so I might use this sooner than later. So it says it helps refresh and dry out impurities to promote a clearer looking complexion. So that sounds really nice and promising. I've had some hormonal breakouts recently that are driving me insane. So I might give this a go before I go away. So this one was 99p also, and therefore it worked out 49p. This one being the 99p or vice versa. Okie dokie then guys, that was actually everything that I picked up on my Superdrug haul this month. Didn't get anything from the star buys, nothing quite caught my fancy really. But you know, there will be another Superdrug every month as I, can't keep away from the damn website. So guys, if you like this video, then please do me a favour and hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And remember to subscribe if you haven't already, because it'll be fantastic to have you here. There's a giveaway coming very, very soon, so make sure you stick around. And I will see you very soon. Bye bye.